So it's the summer of 2025 and we're leaving a sunny UK and heading out to Turkey. We're stopping there for about 10 days and we're going to try and get on a few trips. The first one being the Big Kral, which is a boat trip that goes to Alanya. So I hope you enjoy it and I'll see you in just a moment. So far it's been a great day out, stunning scenery, lovely to be on the sea and have a look around the local area. Great views all around and really helpful staff and nice food and a clean boat. Hope you enjoyed that as much as we did. Really great trip, and I'll see you guys on the next one now, so take care. See you soon.